Hi, I'm Molly Jones, your local real estate expert. We're going to talk a little bit about curb appeal and how to use your home to draw in buyers when you're trying to sell. One of the most important things in trying to sell a home is getting people through the front door. And before you can get a buyer to walk through your front door, you must get them out of their agent's car or appeal to them through that computer screen to make them schedule an appointment. That's why your home's curb appeal is so vitally important. So how can you use these warm, beautiful spring days to maximize your home's curb appeal? Well, one of the first things you can do is maintenance, keeping the sidewalks cleared off. Clear away dirt and cobwebs from the exterior of your home, especially the entrance. Clean out gutters. And all of this is done because if your home looks like it's a lot of work and a lot of effort to maintain, it'll make those buyers pause and think about, do I really have the time to put into this home, or is this home going to require more work and effort than I have? Another thing you need to do is obviously mow the lawn. Freshen up the landscape with mulch or rock and be sure all of the weeds are pulled. Again, that's a matter of maintenance. Paint faded window trim so that the house looks very crisp and clean. Power wash any moldy or dirty siding or brick. Again, it just goes to that fresh, clean look when it's on the market. Another thing you can do is plant yellow flowers or group some flower pots together with yellow flowers planted in them. The reason for the yellow is because yellow is a color that evokes buying, the emotion of buying. And also, marigolds are relatively inexpensive to buy. Trim and maintain your bushes and trees. Make sure your house number is clearly visible so those realtors, when they're out showing homes, can clearly get to your home. Also, if you have a front porch, use that to your advantage by putting out throw pillows and seating so you can evoke that friendly front porch atmosphere that makes them drawn to that, to want to come into the home. You can also stage your entrance by putting out a welcoming and cheerful, bright welcome mat and front door wreath. Just make sure that they are the appropriate season. We don't want any Christmas wreaths out in the spring. One thing to remember when you're doing all these things is marketing a home can be as much about illusions as it is reality. You want the buyer to believe that they will live a much friendlier and better life in your home than any of the other homes on the market. And with just a little bit of effort and some creativity, you can accomplish this. For more professional advice on selling a home or staging a home, you can visit my website at www.mollyajones.com, or you can email me directly at molly.jones@coldwellbanker.com. This has been Molly Jones, making families feel at home, and I just want to thank you for watching.